Bay Medical Center, a part of Sacred Heart Health System, is expanding our physician network in beautiful Panama City, Florida. We invite you to consider living and working with us in paradise. As a top 50 hospital for the past 5 years in a row, physicians who are considering a move to Bay Medical Sacred Heart can expect a well-qualified team of medical professionals with a dedication to quality patient care and a working environment where physicians are involved in developing new programs and protocols. Bay Medical Sacred Heart has a long history of supporting physicians with continued investment in medical technologies to improve and expand our care.
BayMed has invested in technologies that normally you can only find in a university setting. So, for example, in congenital heart defects that historically had to be opened up with open surgical procedure, we could perform them right here in the cath lab with the equipment that the institution has invested in. Additionally, we could put in percutaneous pumps or work on the carotids and things that traditionally were unable to be performed in the cath lab setting of this sort.
We're always trying to expand what we do, develop newer technologies, get better things available to take care of our patients. And we take care of all comers. Anybody from anywhere in the surrounding area that needs what we have to offer to take care of them, we're here and available to do it.
Bay Medical Sacred Heart serves as the area's designated trauma center and as a regional referral center for the surrounding counties.
I enjoy practicing here and feel like we have good subspecialist coverage. And the good thing is, as a doctor, when you take care of a patient, you don't want to have to quote farm everything out to somebody else or transfer out. You want to be able to take care of stuff, kind of take some ownership and know that you're taking care of the patient and the family, and it's satisfying to be able to do that at this type of facility.
We don't send a whole lot of things out to tertiary care centers. We are the de facto tertiary care center, so we do some pretty big procedures. We take care of some pretty sick folks. We have a ton of equipment. We have all the state-of-the-art things you need to take care of folks, and we're really able to, as opposed to being in some of the areas where everything gets referred out, we take care of our own here, and that's a real challenge for you.
Making a decision to move to a new hospital and a new community involves far more than your work environment. At Bay Medical Sacred Heart, our physicians are incredibly fortunate to live in a location where people from across the country choose to vacation. Beautiful Panama City Beach.
My first impression when I came to Panama City, I was actually at St. Andrews State Park and on the beach there, and it was clean and beautiful. It was like sugar sand beaches. It was like paradise, and I knew that this is where I wanted to settle and bring my family and spend the rest of my life.
There's this little island called Shell Island, and everybody likes to get out there on their boats and enjoy it. I personally like jet skiing. You know, I'd like to bring my kids to the water as often as I could. Lots of great restaurants. There's actually very good shopping nearby in Destin, and it's just a beautiful place to live.
Residents of Panama City enjoy a laid-back beach lifestyle with all of the amenities that a mid-sized city has to offer. In addition, as a tourist destination, there are activities for all ages and tastes. From family-focused to outdoor adventures and sports to nightlife.
Panama City to me is a neat place to live because it is a place where you have pretty much anything you want to do. It is what you make of it. Everybody teases me because I'm a surfer, and during the week, you know, I some days get out of the surf on Saturday morning for an hour or two. We load up in the car, we travel up to Tuscaloosa, and we're at an Alabama football game. And we can do all that in one area. And I don't know many other places I could live and enjoy all of that different variety of life so easily.
Panama City is a laid-back town. You don't have the big city rush that you would have with other beachside communities, especially in Florida. And there's a lot of things to do to relax, sit on the beach, go to a movie. There's wonderful seafood restaurants. There's plenty of dining inside and out, and there's a lot of boating activities to do if you like to fish and even just cruise around the bay. And Shell Island is a place that we like to visit as a family too. It's completely uninhabited, so it kind of gets you out to the desert island type of a feel, and it's just nice to be close to that type of an escape.
I think it's a perfect area for me. I'm someone who's an outdoor recreation kind of person, and you've got, you know, tons of state parks. You've got the Gulf of Mexico, you got the bay, you got the beaches, all that stuff. But you've also got, you know, lakes and rivers and you know, anything you want to do. Panama City's you know, not a huge metropolitan town, but it does attract a fair bit of, you know, concerts and things with the Marina Civic Center and all that. So there are activities you can do like that, but it's just a beautiful place to live.
Panama City may be known for beautiful beaches, but it's often the friendly, small-town Southern culture that makes it feel like a place to call home.
It's got that Southern hospitality feeling, which is very different from what I was raised with, but it was pleasant, and even my children are starting to learn that Southern hospitality, politeness, and it's just great to be around people like that.
The food down here is incredible because it has that Southern quality of I always tell people it's a meat and three, where you get 3 vegetables and a meat, but instead of having meat, you have seafood in a lot of places. So I call it a seafood and 3. I
like the small town atmosphere. I like the convenience of the water, of the recreational things here, particularly golf. I like the lifestyle, the pace of living. I like the small town community feel that's familiar to me for my family. And so that's why I've enjoyed working here. I like the cold weather, I hate the snow, and that's why I'm transplanted to Florida. Happy to live here.
Moving to a new hospital and a new area is a big decision. However, Bay Medical Sacred Heart will work with you to make the transition as pleasant as possible.
When you visit Bay Medical Sacred Heart, we want to help you make an informed decision. In addition to a tour of our facility, I'm happy to assist you with housing options, school options for your family, and just introducing you to all that our area has to offer. If you choose to join our staff, our physician team will help to orient you as well as get your name out in the community for referral sources. Our opportunities are listed on our website, and we look forward to hearing from you.